Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Today, we have news about a new way for Samsung to turn a Shiba Inu into a $3 coin. Over the past week, the most common cryptocurrency in your pockets was Shiba Inu. A recent study by an online chain analytics company found that baby boomers don't care much about banking. But money is fun when it can be programmed on the internet. If you ask most people what they thought was the most popular first coin for people who just started using crypto in the last week, they would probably say Bitcoin. But it doesn't look like that's the case. Nor is it the peer-to-peer network computer Ethereum, which is the number 2 cryptocurrency by market cap. In this video, we'll talk about how Samsung has come up with a new way to turn Shiba Inus into $3 tokens. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. Let's start the video without further ado. Nansen found some data on-chain that showed Shiba Inu was the most popular non-stable coin digital asset for recently funded crypto wallets over the past week. During that time, Nansen put more than $56 million worth of Shib tokens in 12,000 new wallets. Nansen said that, other than stable coins, the ERC20 token was the crypto that showed up most often in these amounts. Shiba Inu had a small drop in price, just like the rest of the market. The pullback happened at the same time that stock prices started to go down after going up in January. Analysts and commentators pointed to disappointing economic data and more hawkish talk about interest rates from the Fed as the reason for the rout. Wrapped Ether on Uniswap and Shiba Swap is the most dominant trading pair partner for share by volume, but Binance holds the most Shiba Inu and Shib balances. There have been false claims that Binance has taken Shiba Inu off its list. The centralized cryptocurrency exchange, on the other hand, only removed some trading combos that involved Shib. Shib fans are looking forward to Shibarium, which was just revealed. Shibarium is an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for launching decentralized apps that use Shib as a native token. According to whale-serving site Whale Stats, new data shows that the Shiba Inu holdings of the world's biggest Ethereum whales have grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week. Since January 17, the top 1,000 whales have bought $422 million worth of the meme asset. Before, it was said that the same whales own about $168 million worth of Shib. This means that, according to whales numbers, they bought 151 more of the Dogecoin competitor in just 4 days. Shiba Inu is now the digital asset that the top 1,000 whales hold the most of. This is because they have been buying it up like crazy. There are now 584 million other digital assets owned by people with a high net worth that are not Shib holdings. Traders include Oracle provider Chainlink Link, which is worth $65 million, decentralized exchange Uniswap Uni and deflationary CryptoBit, which are each worth $58 million, and compatible blockchain QuantShot, which is worth $55 million. The whale action around Shiba Inu may have affected the price of the meme token, which went from 1,045 cents on January 17 to 1,210 cents at its highest point. Since then, Shib has kept going up and is now worth 1,226 cents. Whales are buying up Shib as the ecosystem gets ready for the beta release of Shibarium, which is a suggested second layer for the Doge competitor. The system will be a Layer 2 network built on Ethereum, like Polygon Matic, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Shiba Inu coin has gotten a lot of benefit from the rise of cryptocurrencies in the past few days, and this is especially true. In the last week, the price went up sharply again, and its value went up by more than 20. Many buyers think that prices will go up a lot in the next few months and years. John Richmond is an English-Italian fashion designer who has worked with a lot of well-known people, like Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani, who are all well-liked by critics. The fashion creator is now putting more of his attention on Web3. The new way of doing things comes from the benefits of autonomy. According to Richmond's tweet, the revolutionary punk rock movement and the invention of Web3 have a lot in common. The well-known artist says that it shows a strong energy and a desire for change, just like the punk rock movement in the UK in the 1980s. Rock and roll has always been about giving the voiceless and the oppressed a chance to be heard, breaking rules, and questioning the status quo. This is the same energy that keeps artists and people in the Web3 community going. Richmond, John. John Richmond has worked with a lot of famous people in the past, and his latest project is a Vogue magazine cover with Snoop Dogg. The famous hip-hop artist gave fashion a bit of West Coast style. John Richmond's idea to try out different styles fits perfectly with the rebellious street style with a bit of classic wear. The Shib Army was very happy that Snoop Dogg was in Vogue. In answer, some members of the Shib Army asked the main developer, Satoshi Kazama, on Twitter if Snoop Dogg could perform in the Ryoshi Plaza or the Bark Park and Shib the Metaverse. In the end, Shib the Metaverse is a Web3 project that will be finished soon by the Shiba Inu software team. But before Shib the Metaverse can go live, Shibarium has to start the Layer 2 scaling solution. Amazing, sir. Look. Snoop Dogg gave a show on Ryoshi Plaza. What's up, Shib? You would be a welcome guest in the Metaverse. Do you agree? Hashtag Army Shib at Shib. Symbol at Shib. The MV at the AMA in Toshikazu. Could we? How about? No one has said a word. The Shiba Inu community is eagerly waiting for the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain launch, and official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and core developer Satoshi Kusama are dropping hints about when it might happen. Using Satoshi Kazama's Twitter status to figure out what's going on. Shibarmy thinks that the test version of Shibarium will come out on February 14, which is Valentine's Day. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of developing Shiba Inu, changed his Twitter bio and added hints about when the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain will come out. The new bio says, taking care of the pine tree of life and quickly learning to play the flute before putting Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow. Whale Shiba Inu in a tweet from January 20. Shib Halder said that Shibarium is due on February 14, which is Valentine's Day. The Shiba Inu group thinks that the new bio means that the Shibarium beta will start on Valentine's Day. Even though not everything is ready for the launch yet, the fact that Shibarium's official Twitter account posted papers about basic ideas and the Bone Gas token shows that the launch is close. Shibarium's research work has also gotten busier. GitHub data, on the other hand, shows that the start could be delayed due to things that were not planned for. This has happened before. Shiba Inu and Bone symbols, on the other hand, bring in whales. The rate of Shib burn has gone up, and public opinion is at an all-time high. Certic, a leader in blockchain security, found that Shiba Inu is the second most safe crypto project. The price of Bone Shiba Swap is now $1.43, which is an increase of over 8 in the last 24 hours. Whales and investors are interested in this currency. Samsung Electronics has said that its Samsung Wallet mobile wallet app will now be offered in 8 more countries. The tech giant based in South Korea said that the Cash app could be coming to Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan. By the end of January, the Samsung Wallet will be able to be